Hi up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clear K on Telegram Messenger to free up storage on Android. Firstly, I need to mention that right now we are working on Android, but don't worry about it, it is the same process on iPhone. Firstly, what you need to do, just simply get it up from your Telegram and go to your settings on your phone. Then you need to choose the applications, and then you need to choose the second selection that says manage applications. Right after that, you need to type on the search box for Telegram. Then you need to wait for the results, and as you can see I have three options right down. I need to choose the third one or the last one that says clear data. Now you need to go for clear K and go OK. And now guys, with that we have done this job. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. Have a nice day. See you soon.